Hi everyone, welcome back to Platform of Bangladesh Quick Career Quiz program. This program will help us to enrich our general knowledge and also help us to grab different competitive exams like job preparation or BCS preparation. So, let's see today's quiz question. Find the incorrect sentence. This question has came up in the Bangladesh Bank job exam. So, let's see the options. Love react. This is my complaint against him. Wow react. You should apologize for your mistake. Care react. We must fight the enemy. Like react. I study hardly. So guys, answer with the react button and comment below in the comment section. Thank you.